Hello viewers, hello again. Welcome to Viva Buhay, your information TV. Here you can see a lot. I don't have a certain age, that is why I call it Viva Buhay Information TV. I do gardening tips, I give gardening tips, cooking, home ideas, all whatever that I know I can share, and I can help, I can give to my viewers. So today I will be talking about the Advent candles. Normally on the end of this week, and I think it's on Saturday or Sunday, it is the first Advent. So it means that on Saturday or Sunday, I will be lighting up this one candle because we will have the 4 Advent here. And so this is the first Advent, the second Advent, the third, and so on. So what I will do, it looks like this. It's kind of empty there down. So what you can do to make it a little bit nicer, here it is. You have to look, there's nothing there down. And I want to have it a little bit, creative, a little bit greenery and something. So as what I said, I have a lot of my moss, so I can actually use my moss on it. So what I will do is I can actually put it around it. So when you look at it, it's kind of greenery. I will be putting them now inside, and then later on, when it's done, I will show you. And as what I said, you don't have to be very limited when it comes to this thing, because you can actually decorate it in any way you can. So just make a little push there. And then another thing also, when they will be dripping, so they have something there they can drip. So see, it is almost done, and this is actually a very nice thing. And actually, if it's a lot of forms when it comes to these Advent candles, it's because you can actually do it in different way. You can have your own candle, you can even have a very wide flat one, and then you can just put things on it. You can just put whatever decoration you will want that is Christmas related when it's Christmas. And when I do this now, it's the last week of November, and I was just thinking that, yeah, I will make it so it's kind of related, that soon it's Christmas. I hope all of you, my subscribers, my friends on YouTube, I hope all of you can have a Merry Christmas. And there is only one wish I wish for this Christmas, and that is good health. Because I think that is the most important thing that everybody wants to have. You can have everything, all the material things in life, but without good health, it's nothing. You can have all the materials, you can have a lot of money or whatever, but if you're not feeling well physically and psychologically, everything doesn't count. So now, as you see, I am almost done with this. So actually, I'm already done. So what I will put, I'm running out now. That is one thing I missed. I should have, because I think I have more these small Santa Claus, and then I can actually put somewhere here. I can put something here that is a little bit of red, or kind of, I know that I have, but I will not put it now here. So it looks like that, as you see. It looks like that. So by Sunday, I will be lighting up this, for it's the first Advent of this year, and then and so on. So we put that one. So, and because it is Christmas, I think I will be sharing more later on of something about Christmas. So don't miss it. Anyway, that one is done, And again, I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. This is Evelyn of Lipa Buhay saying bye-bye. Hello viewers, this is Lipa Buhay again. Today it will be about plants again, arrangement, flower arrangement. And normally in European countries, in USA or any other countries that has a winter season. When I say winter season, it means that it's so cold outside, you cannot have your plants. And your tropical plants, the only way that you can have them alive is you have to have them inside. And sometimes you don't have a lot of place where you put them. So you have to think of another way how to plant your plants in a way that you don't need a lot of flower pots on them. So you can actually arrange them in different way. So as you see, do not be limited when it comes to flower pots, because actually you can make flower pots in anything. And I had shown you before another video of mine where I have an arrangement. It's a kind of a Christmas a flower arrangement, planting it with like a Christmas theme, and I've shown you, and I know you have you saw it. So today I will make almost the same but in another way, because I will be sharing to you how to use pots or anything, ceramic or whatever material that you have in your house and you don't use it anymore. So here I have this, it's kind of cup, I don't actually what it is, it's kind of a bowl or something, but I got it from my mother-in-law. They are the ones she gave me a lot of, when it comes to flowers, if I will only say, oh, I like this flower, and she's coming and give me these flowers. And they always, my parents-in-law, my mother-in-law and father-in-law, they gave me a lot of flower pots. So I have a lot of flower pots outside and inside, and they gave me. And then this thing, I got it from her. And sometimes there are things that you don't actually need them anymore, like, you know, using them and put something else. But then today I decided I have to make something out of it, and I do the same arrangement actually like I did for the other videos that has a Christmas theme, and I'm using again the amaryllis and the hyacinth. So here is my amaryllis that I bought in the store, and we usually have wrap it like that. As what I said before, any plant that is being planted on a small pot, you can actually transfer them. Transferring them in a bigger pot will really help you that the plant will grow better. So now, because I have already this, I have shown you already, use something as a drainage. You should have something as a drainage, because this container has no holes. So if you use something that has no holes, use a drainage. And either you can use marbles or like this kind of made of wood or something. And you can also use stones, whatever, shells, whatever that they can drain it. So now I will pour on it my soil. So I have my soil here. I'm doing it now here in my kitchen because I don't want to do it outside, and it's because it's really cold outside now. We don't have snow yet, but the weather is very cold. So now I will begin with this. So this is not only for this kind of plant. You can actually use this if you have other kinds of plants and you want to combine them, have a combination on them in your indoor. So your indoor plants, you can actually decide with it. If you have a big basin, for example, that you don't use anymore, it can be a ceramic, it can be some kind of whatever material, you can actually reuse it. You can actually reuse it inside your house. So I will do like that, the hyacinth, because it's more like the one, and then I will put this one too. This is the hyacinth and this is the amaryllis. Just pull it out. Don't be afraid, because these plants are really very good. So I will do like that. This one is there and that one is there. So you have it there. And what I will do now is that I have to make sure that you see there. If you wonder what it is, just the same for the other one I did before. It's actually dried orange. So now I'll put more of my dirt or my soil. And it's very, very good when you do this one, that you have already all your materials that you need. It's because you don't need to be running around. So as you see, I have a lot of kind of bowls like this. And sometimes, you know, you can have some bowls in your kitchen where you don't use it anymore because you're tired of it, or, you know, or sometimes you have something like plastic container that you don't use. You can even paint it. And I've seen a lot of people planting in, you know, used containers, and, you know, whatever material, you can actually use it. So it's just a matter of being creative. So as you see, it looks like that. And of course, maybe you want it a little bit more thing on it. And after that, as what I have gave you before, tips, you put some moss on it. Moss. We have plenty of moss. I have so plenty of moss. So like I have some friends, I have some, my sister, there was the other year she bought, it was not cheap and it's not so plenty of them. So I told her, please don't buy them. I have plenty in my place. And I have a lot of leftover here in my basket. So I think I will be giving it to her, because me and my sister, we work on the same place, in the same preschool. So I think I will be giving her some of it. So as you see, you have it here. Isn't it very nice? It's so nice. And then I have an extra ball here. So if you want some ball on it, because you want to be very Christmas feeling, then just put a ball, whatever you want. You can put something else on it, on top of it, and it is very, very good. I am contented. So again, I will tell you, whatever you want to do, in what way you want to do it, just be creative, because there is nothing that we can call it's wrong. It's just a matter of imagination. You want it that way, do it that way. And there's nothing that goes wrong. There's nothing that goes wrong. So that one, I know hyacinths and the amaryllis, they usually bloom. I think after like maybe a week or two, or maybe like in December, because these amaryllis usually bloom actually like in December. That is why they are more like of a Christmas plant. And it's very common here. So this kind of thing, you can actually buy it in the store. They're already made like that, arranged like that. You can do it in a basket. But then I normally doesn't buy them. I do it myself, and it's because they are not cheap, and I don't want to be spending a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money to buy all this kind of thing. So please do it yourself, and it's good for you, and you feel better of it. I hope you get some ideas about my flower arrangement or plant arrangement, and if there's something you wonder, you just write a comment down there. If you're not yet my subscriber, subscribe so you get notice of the new videos that I will put in my channel, because I share a lot. Thank you so much. This is Evelyn of Liba Buhay. See you again next time. Bye bye.